Hi there, student. A cask. A cask. A countable noun. Okay, this is a synonym for a barrel, but a more interesting word for you to use. A cask typically is for an alcoholic drink. Okay, so a cask, the wine is stored in oak casks. Normally casks are made of oak, so a cask of ale, a keg, a barrel, yeah, a vat. I think a vat's probably a bigger than a cask. A cask of cider as well. Maybe you've heard of the story, the Cask of Amontillado or Amontillado, which was a short story by Edgar Allan Poe, and it's about a barrel of sherry. Yeah, a cask of sherry. Cask sounds much better. Yeah, a cask of brandy. So you know these wooden barrels that are about a meter high and about 50, 60 centimeters wide, and they're slightly fat in the middle. They're made of wood slats or wood staves that go down, and then they're bound with metal hoops to hold them in place. Well, this is a cask. Okay, so a cask of beer, a cask of wine, a cask of brandy. Um, I think you can also actually use this word cask to talk about the amount that it holds, but it's um, I think in English the barrel is more the standard size of measuring, and I would use that phrase. It depends what it is. A barrel of beer, 36 gallons. A barrel of wine, 26 gallons. I'm talking UK gallons here. A barrel of oil, 35 gallons. Is one of these old-fashioned units of measuring as well. But a cask, a wooden barrel, yeah. So matured in in a cask. I think particularly they use all sorts of nice casks for brandies and for things like port and things like that. Okay, so a cask. Informality, I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, but I would say use it anywhere. Use it particularly for alcoholic beverages, yeah, alcoholic drinks. And then as to origin, it probably comes from either French or Spanish. Casque meaning a helmet. Notice in Spanish, cascara is the outside shell of something. Okay, so yeah, it's the bit that holds holds your alcohol inside. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Cask.